Hi guys, welcome back to the new video of Easy Tutorials, and today in this video you will see how to add a beautiful hover effect on image using HTML and CSS. As you can see on my computer screen, when I take cursor over this image, the image divides into 4 equal parts, then move upwards one by one and reveal the hidden content. When I take cursor away from this image, these images again comes down at its original position and hide the content. So you will learn to make this awesome image hover effect in this video using HTML and CSS. So before starting this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe if you are new on my channel. Now let's start this video. So here I have one folder, and in this folder I have one image, one HTML file and one CSS file. Now I will open my text editor, which is brackets editor. So this is my HTML file and this one is CSS file. You can see I have already connected HTML file with CSS with this line of code. Now we will come to the body area, and here we will write div class, and I am writing the class name card. In this div we'll add span open and close tag. Let's copy this class name card and write it into the CSS file. And for this one we will add width 360 pixel and height also 360 pixel. Background, it will be black. Next I am adding box shadow here. Then margin 10% from top and bottom, auto from left and right. Next, position relative. Then I am writing border radius, it will be 10 pixel. Now we'll come back to the folder again and open this HTML file with Google Chrome. So you can see this box over here in black color. Let's copy this span and write it into the CSS file. Before that we'll put this class name also. For this span we'll write height 100% and left it will be 0. In the background we will add image, so I am using URL and the image file name. Position, it will be absolute. We will add width also, it will be 100%. Now you can see one image on this box. Let's come back to the CSS file again and copy and paste it again. Here we will write in the child 1. For this one we'll add z-index 10, width 25% and remove the width from here. That's it. Reload the web page and you can see this image only for 25% of width. Now just duplicate this one 3 times so that we will get 4 span. And come back to the CSS and duplicate this code. And here we will write 2, 3 and 4. So we have 4 span. For this second one we will write width 50%. For third one 75% and last one it will be 100%. And z-index we will change 9, 8 and 7. Let's reload the web page. Now here you can see a single image which is actually 4 parts of one image. Next we will add hover effect. For that just copy this one and here we will write hover. So when we take cursor over this card, we'll add transform translate y minus 100%. Transition 0.5 seconds. Let's reload the web page, and when we'll take cursor over this card, you can see this complete image is moving upward by 100%. But all the parts are moving at same time, so we have to add some delay. And here we'll copy this one and write ns child 1 to select the first span. And for the first one we'll write transition delay, so it will be 0.3 seconds. And let's duplicate it, make it 2 and here delay 0.2 second. Now for the next one, transition delay is 0.1 second And for the last one, transition delay is 0. That's it. Let's reload the web page. And you can see these all 4 parts are moving one by one. Right now it is moving very fast, so we'll come back to the CSS and we'll change the value. So here we'll write transition 1 second and delay 0.8, 0.6, and this one 0.3. Let's see again. So now it is moving very slow so that you can see it clearly that all blocks are moving one by one. When I take cursor away from this card, you can see all images parts comes down at same time. So again we have to add some delay while coming down. So come back to the CSS file and here we will write transition 1 second. And in this span we'll add transition delay 0. Let's copy and paste it here. It will be 0.3 second. And for the next one 0.6 seconds. And this one 0.8 seconds. Let's reload the web page. And you can see these images moving upward one by one and again coming down one by one. So this hover effect is working nice. Next we have to add some content also. So just come back to the HTML file and here we will create one div and the class name I am writing content. So in this div we'll add one title, so I am using h2. So the title is Easy Tutorials Channel. Let's add some text in p tag. Subscribe Easy Tutorials YouTube channel to watch more videos on website designing, digital marketing and graphics designing. Let's copy the class name content and write it into the CSS file. Here we'll write color, it will be white, and text align center, and let's add some padding 80 pixel and 20 pixel. Width 100%, height 100% and box sizing border box. Let's reload the web page. Now you can see this content is hidden. When I take cursor over this card, these images moves upward and reveal the content. Now come back to the CSS and here we'll write content and P for the text. So color will be 999. Now you can see gray color for this text. After this P will add one link also. So I'm using a href and the link text is read more. Here we'll write content A. Width 100 pixel and text decoration it will be none. Border radius 50 pixel and border 1 pixel solid and white color. Display it will be block and we'll add margin auto. Padding 10 pixel. Color white. Let's reload the web page. Now you can see one button after this text. Right now you can see this content is not moving. We have to move the content according to the image movement. So we'll come back to the CSS and here in content we'll add transform, translate, Y 100% and transition 2 seconds. Now we'll write card hover, then content. Just copy this one, transform and write it here. Translate Y, it will be 0%. Let's come to the card also and here we'll write overflow hidden. Then reload the web page. Now you can see the content is also moving according to the image movement. It is going up with the image, and when image comes down, it goes down. So this was very easy to add this type of effect on your website using HTML and CSS. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.